want to say today to all of you ni karibuni. We've had women in manufacturing forums across the country. This is the time for us to start speaking about changes in the business community.
So today, I'm really here, happy to congratulate the women in manufacturing. We are proud of you. You're the movers and shakers of the economy.
Kenya Power, in line with the government requirements, sets aside 30% of its budget of procurements for women, youth, and persons with disability.
It is my sincere hope that you will work with each other so that we remove blocks and barriers to trade.
The WIM Conference and Product Parade has helped us a lot. It has helped us engage with county government officials, with banking officials, and also with KRA officials. It has helped us understand how we can access much more funds and financing for our businesses.